Good afternoon. What's really good? So we are doing Vlogmas weekends. This is Vlogmas weekend 1, the start of it. I figured I'd come and do like the intro while I'm like brushing my teeth and washing my face and stuff, because I'm doing a lot of filming today, like regular content as well as like, you know, Vlogmas content. On the agenda for today is me and Rob are going to, well, first and foremost, I got a lot of filming to do today, but then me and Rob are going to try to put the tree up if I'm not feeling like extremely depleted after I finish filming. We will put the tree up and maybe bake some cookies, watch all the Christmas episodes of Girlfriends while we put the tree up. We got to get ornaments, because last year I think we did brown and bronze or something like that, and this year we really don't know what color scheme we want to go for because we just don't know. So we gotta like find new ornaments. So I just finished filming and eating my first meal of the day. Rob had got me a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. Oh wait, I'm watching Despicable Me. Rob had got me a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich, so I just finished eating that. Very productive day thus far. Like I got a lot of filming done. Rob went to the liquor store. I'm waiting for him to come back so we could like figure out where we even gonna put the tree at, because y'all know we are just outgrowing this apartment. Like it's really no space in here, like low key, for like a tree. So we need to figure out where we even gonna put the tree at. But I'm waiting for him to come back. I'm just watching Despicable Me, and I'm trying to let my phone charge a little bit because let me take this hood off. I'm trying to let my phone charge a little bit because like I said, I was filming all day. I'm about to take my vitamins because I also neglected to do that today. So let me do that. To be out of these, I need to go get more. Like I just take the I was taking B complex, but it makes me break out. So stop taking that. Taking these and then some probiotics. I'm so bad at taking any type of pill or vitamin, even like capsules, anything. Okay, I'm so excited. I ordered like a tripod, just like a tripod by itself, because I don't have just a tripod by itself. I got 3 ring lights and they all are ring lights and not just like tripods. And then I got this other thing that I'm like using right now, like the little mini tripod with like the flexi legs, because I'm really trying to take this vlogging thing seriously. Thus and such, I need things to prop my phone up on so I could do stuff and not have to be holding it the whole time. And also too, like I have a photo shoot coming up and I'm gonna need both of these tripods, and they both came with like this like phone holder and like this remote, which is pretty cool. But my phone, I have a note, excuse me, so I got a pen that I could use to like take pictures, start recording, like, you know, stuff like that. So I don't necessarily need this remote, but it might come in handy for like the camera that I'm gonna be using. But I'm so excited. It's a tripod. Bless me, thank you. The tree. It is time, my friends. Ew! We got a white tree? No way. That tree is not going up. We got a white tree? Why would we get a white tree?
Because you want it, man.
When? Why? Oh my God. No, there is no way on God's green earth that we're going to put up this white tree. I'm so sorry. Oh my God. We're going to have to get another tree. A white tree? What the? You smiled at the end? Let's So apparently I have questionable taste. Okay, because I do not recall getting that white tree, and Rob is trying to say it was my idea, but I do not remember it being my idea. I could have sworn we had a flock tree. Do you like that white tree? Mm-hmm. You like that? Mm-hmm. So it was probably your idea to get it. Listen, it's a no for me, dog. Like, and that's no shade to nobody who got a white tree or like white trees. Somebody's to blame. Underneath the TV, but as far as the tree go, we will not be putting that ugly white tree up. Like, it's just not gonna happen. So we gotta go and get a tree. We'll probably do that next weekend, cause yeah, a white tree is a no-go. But this looks pretty cute and festive. We had it like this last year. Actually, on mine, this was somewhere else, but I decided to add it right there, and I think it looks really cute right there. I got these like Christmassy type like cupcakes. Rob could not wait to eat one, so he ate one already. But I think they so cute, like so cute. I don't even like white frosted like cupcakes, but I think they look so cute and so Christmassy, so festive. We also got like some Christmas cookies. Do you want to bake some Christmas cookies or you want to wait? We always so late to like the putting up the decorations.
Not this year.
Yeah, we are so. Now we got to get a whole new tree.
Let's go right now.
What time is it?
7?
What time Walmart closed?
You should know that more than me. I don't know.
I don't know the new age time during the pandemic.
Yeah, it's closed at 11.
You ain't really about it though. You really want to go to Walmart right now?
Hell no. Come on.
Yay! Give me a kiss.
My lips dry.
My lips dry too. What was that? Listen to me. I never in a million years expected Rob to say that he wanted to go to Walmart. I'm very excited because I would much rather get this done right now too. So it is lit. We're going to Walmart. Turn the TV off. My phone is charged a little bit. So hopefully I don't have no issue. I need some chapstick. My lips are so chapped. Not even funny. But yeah, I'm gonna try to preserve as much battery as possible, and I'll check out when we get to Walmart. Nigga, we made it. Okay, folks, we have a tree. We have a tree. Oh wait, we need ornaments. Look. So we got a tree. We just got a green one because they didn't have any like pre-lit flock trees, and nobody got time to have to be like draping lights on the tree. On Netflix. A must. A must while putting up the tree. Avi. the next day. I was just editing because I got a video that got to go up today. I'm watching SpongeBob. It's so loud. I'm gonna check in with y'all real quick. I'm just working, getting some work done. I don't, like, y'all probably already know, but like, I film on the weekends. I work during the week. I work on the weekend. I'm just always working. But yeah, so I have a video that I need to film today. It's like a hairstyling video, like a how-to video. And I want to do my hair like that because I have like a massage coming up, and I was kind of thinking about doing like another pamper vlog, but I don't know, I really don't feel like it. It's the washing my hair part that I really just don't feel like doing. So I don't know, I just wanted to check in real quick. Here is a look at the tree in natural light. We don't care about the back of the tree, so there is really literally nothing back there. So I've taken a shower and everything, and now I'm hungry. I'm about to make some pesto pasta. As the video is not gonna happen today. Like, it's just not gonna happen. I don't have the energy to do it. Like, I don't have the energy. So, but I am hungry. It's about like 5 something. So I'm about to make me some pesto pasta. I haven't eaten all day. I guess this is a thing, but once again, the Real Housewives of Atlanta like throwback episodes are on right now, so I'm listening to that. I'm about to like cook. So geeked. I love them hoes. Nobody should have to wash dishes manually in 2020. Like, dishwashers were invented forever ago, and I don't think it's right that I have to wash dishes by hand. And I learned something new. Alright, I'm about to rip this food and watch The Real Housewives of Atlanta. Whew, yes, God.
With so much frustration.
Second.
Even though
so my video has to go up today in about 2 hours. So I have to add all of the tags and the link and fill out the description box and all of that stuff. So that's what I'm about to do. Rob should be getting off of work soon. But I'm probably gonna close out the vlog here because I probably won't remember later on. So thank you so much for hanging out. Vlogmas weekend 1. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and drop down in the comments and let me know what you thought of the vlog. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. You know all of that good stuff, and I'll see you next weekend.